beautiful people, and welcome to Jenga na Mo segment with me, Maggie Mo. And leo it's an update of what's been going on, and as you can see, there's so much change since the last time I was here. Like for now, you can see we have windows, we have paint on that is ongoing, and let me get closer. Don't mind why this is here. This is for filling the spaces in between the cabras, and because I came on a Sunday, that's why you're seeing there's no work being done today. By tomorrow on a Monday, they'll be sweeping this up. They'll be sweeping these changas. So this is the front porch. You see the windows, they're already here, and it looks awesome, right? It looks awesome, yeah. So much has been going on. Look at that. So beautiful. This is the living room window. That's how it looks. So I've already installed the windows. The only thing left now is the paint around here, because they have started with the upper part. So the windows, let me show you the other window. Here we are planning, by the way, on doing some combiner work. I'll show you as the time goes by. We are adding something here, something beautiful. I'll show you as it is ongoing. Look at that. The painting has started. They are painting as of now. That's how it looks. And also the what's the name of this thing they are doing? Imagine I'm forgetting. Rough and tough, yeah. They're doing this. Look at this. It's very pretty. You see the details in it. It's very beautiful. And the color, and also the color here. But this part is not done. You can see here in between the keys, hapa kwa keys huko katikati, we're planning to put black. So I hope they will go together, the colors, but they will go together because we have done a sample and it was beautiful. Now this is ongoing. The rough and tough and the paint work is ongoing. Look at this. Kio ishawekwa, the glass there, it's already installed. It's very pretty from up there down to down here. So tomorrow they'll be continuing putting the glass around here, and also after they're done, paint work iendele. You see that we painted it gold. It's very pretty. So those two glasses you're seeing there, we were sampling on how it will look like, and we have given a go ahead. Now tomorrow they will be installing all the other glasses, yeah, and the paint is ongoing as of now. It's still ongoing. Look at this. It's very pretty. It's very beautiful. It's ongoing. All the way up there. And the glasses. This is the bathroom glass. That's how it looks. It's very pretty. So by tomorrow they'll be done with the glass work, and the the paintwork huku juu also will be done tomorrow. So the paintwork is still ongoing, you can see. Now let's enter the house. We see what's the update. What's the update on the inside? Let us see. So welcome to the residence. To Moho's residence. You see that beautiful window? It's very beautiful. It's giving, yeah? Welcome. We see what's been going on here. So this is how it looks. The paintwork is still ongoing. So here, remember we had put the first coat, but we had to stop for some minor repairs. Now they'll come with the second and third coat of the skimming wasugwe, and then we do the paintwork. This here, these are rails for the gypsum, hizo chuma zake, and this thing is the remainder after we put uko kwa pagola. This one remained. So this isn't chuma za gypsum because the gypsum is ongoing as of now. These are some of the materials. Marangi, skimming. Wah, si rangi inasonga. Wacha nikwambie. It's crazy. So this is what's happening. So for the gypsum, remember this room we were sampling. We were doing sample on this room so that we can give them the go ahead, and this is how it looks. But after they installed this one, tulipeana to go ahead because the work was good. Kumwambia endelee tunayo, it was good. So we went with the guy. Now the only thing left, you see they have over field. The only thing left is it grinding? Kusugua, sanding, yeah. They have to sand, alafu tumalizane na ndo wapake rangi for the gypsum for that room, yeah. Now here it's where the glass work is in the glasses. So that's why I'm telling you tomorrow wanaweka the glasses. You see it's ongoing, the work is ongoing. Wanafanyia hapa kwa side. So you buy these panels. This is a glass. All this, and then they will fit them whatever is needed. So for the gypsum, it's ongoing. After we give the go ahead, we had to start with the upper rooms, yeah. Wakuja kiteremkanga hivyo ndo the tie guy unafuatana. So that's how it looks. Let me show you how the glass looks. You see this one? Already the glass is installed there. So coming this way, the gypsum is ongoing and it's very beautiful. I'm loving it, yeah. You see this gold so you come in action. Color scheme, right? Isn't it huko juu? The room we added, these are the frames for the upper room. This one was painted gold, and then we installed this glass. You see how pretty it looks, huh? That's how it looks. It's very pretty. I'm in love with that thing. So the gypsum, the only thing left is for them to fill and sand. Yeah. and then ndio ipakwe rangi because the rangi is ongoing. Here they are doing skimming on the walls. The only thing left is sand and paint. Coming to this master bedroom, these are the boards for gypsum boards. Welcome to the master bedroom. Also ishawekwa the gypsum. Look at that design. Very pretty. So that come with a final look of how it looks after imepaka rangi and all that. Hii nitaonyesha kwenye itaenda in the coming days. I'll show you. So this is still on good, and the only thing left, I said, is the only thing left in it, filling, sanding. Yani you want to feel when it's supposed to be seamless, so filling, sanding, and then painting. Let us see the upper room, the one that we added, how it looks as of now. Let's see how it looks. That's the glass. Welcome to the rooftop. My favorite room. Here we go. So we also painted gold. This is one glass. All of these would be glass. You see the panels I showed you, zenye ziko huko chini zote zinakuja, and then sinaona hapa kuko hivi. This is how it looks, yeah. After the glass is put, those two frames I showed you down there, they come and zinafungwa hivyo, zinashikilia hiyo glass, so iwezi toka kina upepo. You get? So this one we are not fixing with putty, spot putty. We are not putting putty. So see, those frames are like these ones, yeah. So the glass comes here, and then this frame comes after the. So we'll sandwich the glass with this frame, alafu zinafungwa na screw. They will be very secure, yeah. The gypsum, you see, inaekwa kesho because already they are preparing the roof. Ushaweka hizo rails za gypsum, so it will be installed tomorrow. We painted all this gold. All this is painted gold. It will be beautiful. It will be so beautiful, yeah. This is the balcony of this room, yeah. The additional room. It looks this pretty. Yeah. Here you overlook that beautiful hill over there. Even here I'm mountain. What's the difference? Mountain here. Hill mountain. So in a time, stay the gold. Oh, it's coming a long way. Oh, it's beautiful. And for those who are asking, what type of roof have I put? Mine is a hidden roof because I want something to harvest water with. I have to harvest water, so mine is this hidden roof. All the way paka hapo ni hidden roof, yeah? So mshishagae kunakaaje. That's how it looks. Also I can harvest water with this mabaris over this room, this additional roof. You see that how it looks? It looks pretty, right? It's very beautiful. Coming to the pagoda now. Welcome to the pagoda. Another tuliweka mlango. This will be painted black. I hope so. Now you can see the roof. So when you are down there, always jua what's happening. And you always jua what type. So it's not a flat roof, but partly when you come to the pergola, this side, huku ndo iko flat. Right? Sasa huku ndo inakaa hivi. This is our box. Now tunaweka tabs. Yeah? For those who wanted to know the waterproofing I'm using. It's treated already. So kitu itabaki ni roofing. So pagola inakaa hivyo, imeshaanza kupaka rangi as you can see. Next time I'm coming, itakuwa imeisha rangi. So that's how it looks. And this is how it looks from huku juu. Sasa ni madogo gani? But it's because of I told you this mchanga, it's filling the spaces in between the cabros, yeah? So tomorrow watakuwa wanamalizana na huku we want to panda nyasi. So we want that thing to be done with, and then we start planting the grass. So that's how it looks. And remember, I love you all. And here we say, prayer works, hard work pays, consistency is the name of the game. Bye. And love you all. And subscribe, by the way. Subscribe, comment, share. And I know very soon you also be sharing your journey to owning a dream house. Hata kama say dream house, like journey to your journey to your journey. Wait, see you next. Bye.